Howdy, howdy. Good morning, everybody. Happy Mother's Day. It'll be a bit of a shorter stream today because it is Mother's Day. While everyone's still asleep, I decided to get a little bit of stream time in, so nothing real important going to be happening today except just working on some documentation. I mean, it is important stuff, but it's not really heavy. Let's just put it that way. It's not heavy code or heavy thinking stuff. Not something that's, I've got to like wrap up before I can quit. I can just kind of quit at a moment's notice because, basically as soon as everyone starts waking up. So yeah. Oh, let's see what is happening. Okay. So I'm working on documentation today. Mostly going to be around this automation stuff I've been working on the last few weeks. And I kind of was spending a little bit of time this morning on it, trying to update my theme. I just got done trying it and it didn't actually work, so I was gonna make sure Docker was running, and if it's not, I should start it. I've got a million other things running, but not Docker. Let's run it in Docker. I can't remember if that was working for me or not, so we're gonna try it one time. I can okay, so while that's loading, it's still loading, taking a little while this morning to take off. I already got somebody awake. I got some excited kids this morning, apparently. They are anxious to get started making breakfast for Mom on Mother's Day, even though I told them Mom doesn't wake up for like 2 hours typically. I feel like this isn't the command that I run. All right, we'll run it anyway. This is what I've got in my notes over here. I remember what I'm doing. Docs. In fact, I know this isn't gonna work. Yeah, let's say I knew that wasn't gonna work. Well, actually, that did try to work because I have a problem with my config file. So maybe it is gonna work. Let's. Either that. No. Mapping values are not allowed in this context at line 35. Default palettes of skins. Minima 3.0 supplies. And it defines the variables default color aspect. I guess I don't know what version I'm using. Adapted skins switch between light and dark variants based on user's operating system settings and browser settings. Ah. I feel like... yeah, this is invalid. This is the same error I got when I used it on... the website, like when I had GitHub publish it. But if I do this and I save, so there it runs, but that's the other error that I see. That's the require stuff that I don't have anymore. Is it in my history, maybe? Maybe? Is that the one that works? Is there a way I can view all my history, all my PowerShell history? That would be sweet. There we go. I want to open that. Yeah, use Jetpad. I want to look for Docker. Okay, actually I want to look for Jekyll. Do 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 do. So now it's probably, maybe, is it this one? This is the one that I was kind of messing with last time. Yeah, okay, not quite that one. Nope, paste anyway, nope. Well, that's not very helpful, is it? Alright, Alright, so let's think about this. How do I fix that error? Let's just Google it. Google it. Anima dark dork. The old dork theme or skin. Jekyll. Not useful. Let me try more generic. Dark. These, I don't know how to just type that one out like it was working. Oh, so this is different. Is that, did I misread this? Let me go back to this. Theme, minima. Oh, yeah, no, I'm dumb. That's why. It is totally a different thing. And then I can do skin, dark. Alright. Now let's see if this will build it. I know it's not going to run it, but if it doesn't hit that error, I can at least publish it. Yeah. There we go. Now it's gonna work. It's gonna work. First try. First try-ish. Oh. There it goes. Yep, worked. Brilliant. So it's deploying. GitHub pages. There we go. Just want to load the pages. Except that it didn't change them. Oof, that's a... So... why didn't it take that? So you want to test out the new color themes. It's pretty easy how everything is. Again, so set up a new minima header and add your color theme. Well, kind of. Actually, don't need that line anymore since I fixed it. Do I need to include the skins in that folder? Because I don't have that now. Site. That could be the problem. Is there a gem file for all of this? Add this line to your Jekyll site's gem file. Maybe that's part of my problem. I don't have a gem file here. I wonder what it's doing. Or not doing, for that matter. Let's go pull up some Jekyll docs. Directory structure. Also use indexmd with front matter. Well, what happens if I just change the theme then? Let's just change the theme to midnight. I feel like that's what I did already one time. Excuse me, grumbly tummy. Yeah, I did that and it didn't work either. Alright, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to write docs. To heck with it. I still need to figure this out, but it's not really all that important. Not really. Do I have... Don't, do I? I would really, really like to be able to still preview this on my PC without it being a ton more. I don't want to install all the crap that's required for it because I'm never ever going to use Ruby anywhere else except for this. Actually, I got an idea. I want to look at actions. Could I just use the... Could I just use this to pull into Docker? Yeah, that'd be just as much work to figure out at the moment. I mean, it shouldn't be too difficult, but I just want to write my docs. It's like 3 tutorials in this whole page. This is kind of worthless. Well, we'll just try to figure out how to make it work with the preview stuff. And then I'll pull up. Okay, so this is all under its own set of pages, which is layout. Whoops. Want that? I want. Is it really under up about? Did I really just hose that up? Oh yeah. They're both the same page. Nice. Alright, let's fix that. Let's go. Trello. Let's just grab this stuff here because I'm gonna need it on all my pages. Oops. This one's gonna be called. This automation. Do coffee time. Okay. My fingers itch quite a bit from, actually my everything itches. I was messing around with a lot of like old leaves and stuff, and it was quite I want to say gross. It was itchy. I just got really itchy from doing all of it, and I'm still doing that. Oh god, just man, my fingers are itchy, I guess is really what it is. The tops of my fingers. I don't know if it's just, I don't know, just they itch really badly. Let's see. this one. We'll just copy and paste it. Kind of live-ish. I don't need any of this, I don't think. Alright, good enough. These are mostly for me anyway, so I don't need to put a lot of extra fluff in it, at least not right now. Factory. go. Command to run. I do have a couple things I want to modify. Because this one I have all my logging. I want to do that here, I think. All right, so I am going to write a little code this morning. Let's come here. Starting. Yeah, appending. There we go. Do this. Okay, that looks good. So now I'm going to do the same thing to this one. Don't need all that. Trello automation. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to pass in logger. And I'm going to do the same thing here and here. And then here I'm going to change it to logger.info. Get an F, and we're going to say logger heading. I'll fix these. Logger heading, getting all the cards in Trello board. And then we'll do one here that says info Updating all the daily cards. And then we'll come in here. Hmm. So I wonder what the card is. We'll do this. Stop that first. Moving. Card back to do. These might even need to get changed to debug because when it's actually working all the time, I don't want it to do anything. There we go. All right, so I've updated that a little bit. We'll do this. I actually want to do this. Logger.debug. Oh, my ankle hurts today. I was playing soccer with the kids in my backyard, and my backyard is not very smooth, and I feel like I broke myself. A lot of movement going on upstairs. It might legitimately be time to quit. I don't know. Let's see. No, I don't think so yet. I think everyone, well, I think my wife is still asleep. The kids are awake, but that's a completely different thing. Let's see. I want to run that automation one time to make sure I didn't break anything. But before I do that, I need to make sure I have changes to make. So yeah, I didn't think they updated it yesterday. They did chores, but they didn't update the lists. So we'll just check. And pull up this. Scripts, and now it's gonna be Python. Personal automations, and it's gotta be Trello reset. Ah, see, I broke something. Look at that. Because I didn't update that to have the changes that I made. Logger. wanted to actually see it doing things. Yay, it's doing things. And now the automation log says Trello automation. Let's see, does that have a name? Oh my gosh, there's so much here. Just name. We'll change it to say just name. I put some spaces in there. I like the spaces better. Is that the only spot? The only one that was doing it? Yeah. That's the wrong one. Yeah, movie car back to 2. Okay, so we'll run it one last time. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Works perfectly. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Updated the docs and made a few minor logging changes to the automation scripts. Hooray! Apps, yeah. Oh, big yawn. All right, I think it's loaded, right? Did it load? Sort of. It's a little bit better. I don't know if I really need the about page anymore. All right, I think I'm gonna have to stop there because I got some stuff I do need to kind of get ready since it is Mother's Day. Yeah, that's a good spot. I do need to get some stuff going. I got to get the kids to doing their things because they're kind of excited. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I doubt I'll be back on again tonight just because we got stuff going on today and it's, family day. So I will call it quits there, and then I will be back again, hopefully on Friday, maybe Thursday night. I don't know. We'll kind of see how things are going because Fridays are now softball night. So it will probably, I will probably start streaming more in the morning, but we'll see what I do on Thursdays. But that's where I'm going to call it quits. So everybody take it easy and have a great Mother's Day.